Bodega Boys.
Hey, how can I help you, guy?
What's going on, bro? I've been stuck on the
Hey,
island
whoa.
for a while, bro.
Whoa.
I want to get a drink, get out there. De Blasio is like phase 3.
I completely-
very nice up here.
I completely agree, man. We've been shut down for months. We're out trying to get some money. First night open, the bar is packed. We're gonna make, I can make my rent. Oh wow. You all right? You all right? That
Yeah,
doesn't
no,
sound
it's
too
cool.
good.
It's cool, bro. It's cool. It's a dry cough. It's a dry
It's a
cough.
dry-
No
it's
books.
no. That's
Yeah, it's fine. It's fine.
How long have you?
Do you guys have Bud Ice?
Yeah, we do, but Jesus. Could you
Let me
step
get a
back a little?
pint.
Oh wow.
Let me get a picture, actually. Can I get a picture?
Do you have to keep using words that make you spit when you say the letters? Like it's.
I want a picture or a pint. You know what I'm saying? Can I get a pint or a picture, please?
Jesus.
Come on, bro. It's like, bro, are you discriminating?
Bro, are you sweating?
Nah.
What's your?
Not at all. What do you mean?
Let me touch your forehead. My God, you're burning up. You have a fever. What do you?
Fine, go ahead. Take my temperature. I don't care. Go ahead. I just had a hot bag. It boosts my body at BMI or whatever the fuck.
Bro, you're here coughing. You have a fever. What? Have you been quarantining?
What's that? I don't know. Listen, all right. We had sex one time. Me and Quarantina. We had sex one time, but she's Jamel's girl. But if he finds out, he's gonna shoot me, bro. So I can't say that publicly.
This guy got corona. This guy got coronavirus. Security. Hey, don't try to run out of here. Someone grab him. Get him.
No, fuck you guys. Back up. Everybody back up. Hey, fucking do the drop before I drop. Episode fucking 209. God damn it, let me in. I want to party too.
You're listening to The Audio Art, the most dangerous podcast in the universe. Do the drop.
Nasty. Yo, episode 209 of the Bodega Boys podcast, the number one rated podcast in Great Britain, according to Ye Old Podcast magazine.
That's right.
Confirmed,
You know what I'm saying?
Throw that out there.
Still in print since 1897.
Exactly. It was Queen Elizabeth's. She used to write an advice column in it. It was
Facts.
It wasn't the best advice column, but she was a queen, so you had to read it.
You had to read it by obligation.
As always, we're brought to you by Cash App. Cha-ching, cha-ching.
Cash App.
Don't use that
money discreetly.
Don't use that Venmo, because Venmo's the feds.
It's the feds. It's the federales.
The federales.
Come kick your door in. Just because you want to send your weed man $20 for doing
There you go. Also, if you are using Venmo, people, please be smart. If you send money for bail and all that stuff, they see that and it gets flagged. So that's why you got to just send a heart emoji. You don't say what you're sending it for. But if you're using Cash App, you don't got to worry about that. You could be flagrant on Cash App. On Cash App, I'll be like, here is money for bricks of coke. Thank you.
Thank you for the bricks of cocaine.
With a smiley face at the end.
Yo, thank you for helping me learn how to grow coca leaf plants.
There is definitely Cash App transactions that when they're going to be read to you in court, and your lawyer is like, "What defense do you want me to take for this?" You'd be like, "Yo, I was wildin'." That's it.
I was wildin'.
Yo, Your Honor, niggas was wildin'. They're like, okay.
You know what? There's a precedent for that. There's a precedent for that. It's Nace versus the state of New York. There's precedent.
Yo, niggas wildin'. You gotta take that to the Supreme Court. It was Brown versus niggas is wildin'. They don't teach you that. They do not teach you that in school, okay? That's the kind of shit you gotta find out on Twitter, and you be like, wow, I never heard about this.
Yo, let me read this link on medium.com.
There you go. And then you take the little information you got there and you use it casually in conversation as if you discovered that.
Yeah,
you're like, did you know this?
I made this shit up. Fuck out of here.
Oh, man.
Yeah.
Yo, speaking of scamming news, you ever heard of Hushpuppy?
The shoe?
No, there was an Instagram, a verified Instagram account of Nigerian dude. he got arrested by FBI agents for scamming 450 mil.
No,
He faced a 20 years. And the wild part, if you go to his Instagram, is Hushpuppy. That's the name of it. You can see this nigga scamming. It's clear, bro. He painted Ben Franklin on a Birkin bag. Like, fam.
No, stop. Hold on, boy. Wait, you only get 20 years? Man, scam $500 million. He's getting. Give me. I'll do 10 on my head for $500 million.
That's 20 here. Other countries is like, oh, okay, when you're done there, you gotta come face charges there because he was in Dubai.
Oh.
He was getting it.
Face the cases concurrent.
Yo, he was getting it. And he was doing. It was a sophisticated operation. What they would do is like they like either take over the account of someone inside the company who could approve expenses and shit. So then like say like I got inside, Showtime, and all of a sudden, I'm paying out receipts payable to a company called Mero and Us over in Jersey. And
She got a P.O. box.
Yeah.
She got a real address.
And see, the beauty of that is the person that's probably in charge of catching that is the account that was taken over. So when like the emails come, the thieves got it. You go, you moving it, baby. Scam life. Scam life. It's the only life I know.
No.
Oh. How was your July 4th?
I'm mad it was so stereotypical. Like,
well,
that
you know what?
Like, that's terrible.
Well, if you go in the comments, all the Nigerians are like, "Yo, people like you give us a bad name."
You fucking it up for everybody.
Exactly.
You fucking dick.
Yeah, it's true. It's like you don't want to be the one person who does the stereotype of your race.
You know what I'm saying? Like, come on, dog.
You know it's like
like fucking bladder full of cocaine right now while getting their shape up. Like, come on, dog, stop.
When they got you in cuffs, they're leading you out of JFK. You got to pass the Dominican TSA agents. They gonna look at you.
Like,
they're gonna be like, "Wow."
See, I'm earning the honest living. What the fuck are you doing? Fucking scammer.
Stop the scamming. Stop the thiefing.
Stop the thiefing.
How was your July 4th? Did you do
chill,
anything?
You know what I'm saying? Yeah. I didn't celebrate like American, and I was just like, I got a grill. It's a nice day.
Yeah.
It was like it wasn't even July 4th. It was like, yo, what was it? Tuesday? It was like, yo, Thursday.
Yeah. It was just a regular day. Just a regular.
Yeah, it was yesterday.
Everyone's like, I'm not celebrating America this July 4th. I was like, have we ever really celebrated America on July 4th?
No, we just blow shit up and eat meat. Like,
eat glizzies.
Yeah, straight Glizzy gang.
Glizzy gang, gobble the glizzies, Mo.
I'm so there was so many. Yeah, I'm glad. You know what I mean? Heather is a picture person. Mm-hmm. I was gonna say picture bitch. You know what I'm saying? But she's
picture bitch.
Shot.
She's a picture bitch. Picture bitch sounds like a wild, problematic '90s children toy.
Play picture bitch with your family.
Picture bitch all the time.
Pictures at every event.
Oh, picture bitch. Picture bitch in the morning, picture bitch in the evening, picture bitch in the summertime. Picture bitch comes with a camera. Picture bitch. She got another playset that comes with a long SLR lens. Picture bitch.
You got the wild problematic Peeping Tom version. Like, yo, chill, yo. Who already did this?
Yo. Peeping Tom comes with his own bushes. Like, yo.
Yo, chill.
Yo, why does he only have a shirt on? What's going on? These toys are not appropriate.
These are not cool at all. Why are they available at GameStop?
This is the kind of toys that BuzzFeed does an article about now. They'll be like, look at these wild toys your parents played with. And then me and you
with these toys, you're emotionally scarred.
And then me and you hop on the time like, yeah, we had those, bro. Yeah, I remember those.
Yeah,
these shits was great.
I had that and the smiley phone that looked like it was on dope.
So wait, you said back to picture bitch. Heather was taking pictures.
Mad pictures. So there's mad pictures of me throwing glizzies.
Wow.
On the camera roll.
There's photographic evidence of you being vicious. Wow.
They're so vicious.
Wow.
With the glizzies.
Wow, he's a goblin. He's gobbling. Gosh golly.
I screamed out. Yo, fam, I screamed out loud. I didn't know. I thought glizzy was just like a very Twitter thing. I didn't know it was like I spread out like wildfire.
Yeah.
The hot dog eating shit, and my man and the homie called the dude the glizzy gladiator.
Yes. That was a moment. That was a big salute to DMV culture. All right. Y'all put it on the map. We respect it. I know y'all probably like, yo, people using all a slang, but that means it's fire, fam. That means
that's it.
Like,
it's nationwide.
That's what you released it. There you go. It's for everybody, man.
It's a dove.
It's for everybody. Exactly. This is what it sounds like when doves cry.
I wonder how Prince is doing.
Yo, I got some bad news for you.
What happened?
He died.
Prince?
On July 4th.
Oh, fuck, bro.
That's why we didn't celebrate.
Oh, I have no faith in this country anymore, dog.
Was it because of that, or was it before that?
It was everything, and that was the straw that broke the camel's back.
Oh, jeez.
You know what? I'm glad he didn't have to see all this shit. How about that?
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying?
But on the other hand, we gotta see it. So it's like, oh man.
Fuck.
Yeah, we're going to phase 3.
Again.
Well, they're trying. They're going to phase 3 in New York tomorrow, and so that means barbershops, nail salons, spas, bathhouses can open. All those sound like places that sound very, what's the word I want to use? Coronavirus-y. All right.
Yeah.
A little pandemic-y. All right.
That's wild, dog. Like, I mean, like, look, I'm not even gonna lie. I love a good spa pedicure.
Mm-hmm.
There's nothing like it. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
It's just like I fall asleep every time. It's delicious. You know what I'm saying?
I need a pedicure. My feet is looking rough, fam. Like,
yo, fam, that fucking glass shard that was in my foot or whatever, and I went to the podiatrist, got it out, all that good shit, blah, 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 blah. My foot is like, dude, I did what? I eat those.
shit.
It was good.
This is rough, man.
Unless shit is straight concrete. Like, if I kicked the wall right now, I could stay in this wall with my heel.
If I go outside this room on the wooden floor, I could tap dance like Savion Glover. Like, that's how hard the bottom of my foot is, all right? I would be out there doing a soft shoe like, yo. Shalom.
Shout out. Shooting him up. Yo, I could go to a formal event barefoot right now. I'm wearing natural hard bottoms.
Yo, big man. Yo,
big
okay,
man.
he's good. He got good shoes on. Yo, he got the I think my foot right now looks more like the fake Burberry Skechers that Bronx people wear to baby showers.
Ooh.
You know, the classy, the one. Yeah, if you're wearing those, that means your baby's mother is also wearing some sort of matching Burberry. You know that
for sure.
For the flex,
and then somebody made it.
Yeah, no, we said they're wearing Burberry. We didn't say it was Burberry. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah. It's Burberry print.
It's Burberry inspired. It's Day Burberry. There you go. You know, for legal reasons.
You know what I'm saying? Can you get away, Victor? Can you get away with that? Just saying some shit is an homage. Like if I want to do an homage to Louis Vuitton and just do a whole collection of Louis Vuitton.
Do a whole collection? I don't know if Louis V can be really picky right now, especially since Hushpuppy just got locked up.
Yeah, he had a lot. And then also about that case, they're showing. I think it sounds like the cops that arrested him just took all the shit in his hotel room and like are wearing it now. So
wow, what a come up, bro! I wish
because he got caught in Dubai. And you know, rules are different there.
Yeah,
rules are different. Like,
fam,
how you scamming with a verified account? And then people were saying that it was like reparations for like what everyone had done to Africa, which is a good argument.
True.
It's a good argument, but.
That's an insult. That would mean natural resources Africa has over the course of like 250 years.
Well, I mean, a whole generation of people were stolen from Africa. So
yeah,
you know, like he would have a point.
He was worth
that's not going to hold up in court.
250 mil.
He was what?
He was worth max 250 mil.
No, 450.
450. All right.
Listen,
$500 million.
This ain't no baby shit. We ain't talking no baby scammer shit. He can hold his head in bookers, okay? He like, what you in here for, little nigga? Oh,
scamming.
Oh, gift cards? Oh, you call that scamming? Oh, wow, ha,
nigga. I scammed the GDP of Guam, nigga. What's up?
There you go. How you feel? Get your weight up.
Fuck out of here.
And if you were scamming on the outside, you know you got to connect to get whatever you want inside.
Oh, yeah. Forget it.
He gonna have a Louis print jumpsuit. It's gonna be sick.
He's in there already rocking the Kanye Louis collab from like fucking 09.
He in the yard right now in the Jordan Dior ones. Like, yo.
They're real.
They're real. Like,
they're saying, the Dubai police are saying they seized $41 million. 13 luxury cars worth $6.8 million.
Oh, God.
And phone and computer evidence containing more than 100,000 fraud files.
Bruh.
And the addresses of nearly 2 million possible victims.
Bruh.
Look.
But yo,
Go big or go home.
And you know what this article says? It is unclear whether Abbas has an attorney.
You know what? At this point,
I can turn you a Birkin. Like, yo, here's a Birkin, my nigga. Hold me down. Retainer.
Nah, the way the story is, he got to represent himself. You got to. You can't stop now. You've been scamming all this time. Scamming, pretend to be a lawyer. Like, come on. Fuck
you
it.
Know what I'm saying?
We going out.
You know what I'm saying?
Like, listen.
Listen, when this movie comes out and it's produced by G-Unit Productions, I can't wait to watch it.
Who's playing him? Who? Let me see.
He's gotta fake his death and get that kid who was pretending to be a doctor down in Florida to write his death certificate.
Yo.
Nigga fake his own death with a fake doctor. Yo, my man scamming to the end.
To the end. To this day.
To this day.
Wow. Shit.
Yo, that's wild, bro. But yo, it's scamming like... This is my thing.
Mm-hmm.
If you just finesse somebody, like fishing, for example, right? Like you just get somebody's info, you just gas somebody up, like, yo, I'm so-and-so, let me get your info. I don't feel like you should be prosecuted for that because it's the other bozo that you took advantage of. You know what I'm saying? Like, I mean
but then like grandparents get taken advantage. So it's just like, and then like it's like
angle.
And the sad thing is a lot of people get caught in scams are really good people. Like right now, the new scam on Twitter is because if people see you donating money or a tweet has gone viral, they attach themselves to it. They're like, yo, oh my God, my house just burned down, or I just lost my job. I'm here with my kid. Anything you give, can you help? And then if you go look, the account was made June 2020. The account has all the tweets are about that particular situation, and they might respond angrily to if someone's like they're scamming. But you look, they're retweeting that same scamming GoFundMe post every couple of minutes, so it's clearly a bot. And those, if you look at the GoFundMes, these people are raising like 5 figures worth of money because they've been doing it low key for right now because everyone is giving money to people. So that's the new scam. So watch out for them GoFundMe people. They scamming. Not all of them. Some of them are like, just search their, because remember Victor that time, the shorty was trying to we were giving out money to help people. And Shorty said she was, all her shit was washed away in a hurricane. And we looked through her Twitter and she didn't even live in the area where the hurricane happened. Oh, yeah. All that shit.
She was like,
mom's in a 6-bedroom mansion. And shit. Like, yo,
somehow it was about like Houston, but it wasn't. Yeah, I vaguely remember that. But people,
and we was like, yeah, and it was, and you know, that's the bad thing because it's just like you want to be benevolent and help people, but then you got people taking advantage of shit, and all it takes if you to get burned once trying to help niggas, party over
once.
Yep.
Shame on you. Wait. Fool me once, shame on you. Yeah. Fool me twice. Shame on me.
Go. Fool me 3 times. That means I like it because I'm Susio. Ooh. Ooh. Is that like a kink? Like, you pay someone to come in disguise, and you're like, oh, and then you're just sitting there talking to them, and then they're like, hey, guess what? It's me, and you're like, oh, wow, oh wow, I just nutted, wow, you're the best, Ma. All right, same time next week, okay? Dress up as Larry Bird this time. Just come with wild face paint and shit, like yo.
Oh my God. Yo, fucking, is Kanye really running for president? Is this another scam?
He put it on Twitter. First of all, if he was running for president, he missed the date to file all the papers and set up all the exploratory committees and all this shit. You don't, just because you tweet something, it doesn't mean that's happening.
Like, it's happening.
And also knowing Kanye, this is probably part of an album rollout. He just dropped a song last week that made no noise whatsoever because ain't nobody trying to listen to that shit. Get that shit the fuck out of here.
Yeah, stop. And like somebody's style, dog.
You know?
Because let Travis Scott do all your music.
I think Travis Scott was on it, but then he was like talking about Jesus and shit. It's like, yo, relax, nigga. Like
Travis Scott talking about Jesus?
Oh no, Kanye.
I'm about to say, like, yo, imagine Travis Scott talking about Jesus. He's like, yo, I got cocaine in my hair. And
Jesus.
Bars about Jesus. Jesus. Straight up.
Oh.
Yo,
no, man.
Get the fuck out of here.
So I don't think he's really running. But the thing is, remember, he was like, I'm opening a church. And he did open a church. So maybe it's a scam. Maybe he's scamming. Yo. Maybe some people are like, he's doing it to divide the vote for Trump. Some people saying he's doing it to divide the votes for Biden. It's just you know what? We got to wait and see. Because the world is wild. And you know what? There's a chance he could win. Who knows? Nothing matters anymore. Who knows?
Nothing at all. Seriously.
And then people were like, "Oh,
Right,
if they win, Kim K will be the first lady to have like nudes." But then Melania had nudes.
Has nudes.
So
Yeah,
it's
what
just
you
like,
talking
and it's not even a big deal now. It's just like, yeah, the first lady got nudes. What's up?
Yeah,
We're a sex posse.
Holly Madison had nudes. A lot of niggas don't know that.
That's true.
He had oil painting nudes.
Yeah, those counted for more.
For them nudes.
Those counted for more.
When you got to sit for a nude.
Imagine you take a oil painted nude and a nigga just like you show it to him. He's like, that's cool.
Yeah.
I see,
This shit's like 34 hours.
I seen that on ye old Instagram already. You're like, oh, what? Yo, I can't even get an exclusive oil painting. Wow.
You said him in the same shit. You said this nigga. Wow. Okay.
Wow. Did they have OnlyFans back then? And people was like, hey, what, peaches?
Yo, people play with agricultural products. Like, yo,
What's wild is like back then, porn used to be like ankles and shit. So if you saw like just straight cooter, that's like doing raw cocaine.
Fam.
Like your heart can't take
like
that.
Triple hardcore. Like yo, this is for birthing children.
What? Whoa.
Yo. Oh my god.
Oh man.
Out of here,
Yeah,
man.
nudes used to be a thing. I mean, I feel like nudes are so commonplace now that people forget Kanye has nudes. He has a dick pic out there.
Oh, that's right. Yeah.
And so does Rihanna.
Yeah, mad people.
Mad
Draymond
people.
Green, mad people. But Rihanna did like tasteful nudes and shit for magazines, so it's like she's like an artist.
No,
it was
remember when
she
people
got
was rumors that Chris Brown leaked her nudes.
Yeah.
Oh shit, damn. Yikes.
How you leak?
Isn't that's illegal now, right? That's like that's legislated.
That's
now.
very serious.
Revenge porn.
That's revenge porn. Yeah. Can't have that.
Don't do that.
Can't have that. You get locked up. So think
First of
twice
all,
before you do that.
Yeah,
You know,
son.
a lot of women do that, which is then they find out it's a revenge porn law. Because they be like, they like
Trying
leaking
to slam
niggas.
your dick. Yeah, look at niggas' dick pics.
Or if you was doing some wild shit in sex, they be like, yo, look what he gets into. Okay.
Yo, this nigga
Yo,
nigga likes to fuck get his booty eaten.
Yo, this nigga likes to eat glizzies while he gets his butt eaten, yo. Can you do that? Could you just pull out the wild glizzy while you beating the
It gotta be a dry glizzy. Like if you got toppings on that shit, it's gonna get all over your face.
I mean, it's all about it's about your glizzy handling skills, dog. Like how
Yo, imagine you got a full glizzy. Mustard, ketchup, sauerkraut, onions.
Diced onions, everything.
You eating this shit vertically? Nigga, it's impossible.
It's just getting all over Shorty's back. You gotta lean down and lick her back, and she's like, "Oh, I like that."
Yeah. Shorty's back look like a fucking Roy Rogers condiment bar.
Yo, she's like, "Yo, you nigga, you got ketchup in my pussy." Like, yo, sorry.
What's the stings, yo? Got in my urethra.
Sorry. It's Grey Poupon. Sorry, I went too hard. I went too hard with the Dijon. So that's what we're gonna go on Shark Tank. Hey, sharks! Our new invention. It goes around your neck and it holds your glizzy while you beating it up. While you beating the cheeks. Hold the glizzy while you beat the cheeks. Mark Cuban, would you like one? Hey,
yeah, I'll try a glizzy. Why not?
Hey, black guy from Fubu. Here's one for you.
Hey.
Oh, they're like, how much do you want for this? I was like, me, Mero, and Victor have come together. We're gonna we're giving 10% of the company for $50 million. 50 mil. Cash.
Right now.
Actually, 51 million. Yeah.
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 No, 500 million because Hushpuppy went to jail, so 500 million.
500 million. And 2 Dodge Chargers.
That's right.
Yeah. But we want
and a draft pick.
Yeah.
They got draft pick. Mark, you got draft pick, right?
Yeah. And the old what do you call it? Skeleton Vanson jackets. Yeah, can you find us 2 of those?
Word. Yo, the red joint.
Yeah.
I had that shit too. I was like, yo, I'm killing it right now.
Bro.
Every time I put this shit on, I was like, I'm killing it.
Bro, I was on the Vanson website yesterday. They're still around. They're kind of pricey. And also, where you going? I say this is how you know I am not the same person I used to be. I'm about to say, where are you going in a Vanson in the summer? And 15-year-old Desus right now is hot as shit. Like, yo, what are you talking about?
Everywhere, nigga.
Everywhere.
We going everywhere in this shit.
I'm going all across the world, and by world I mean Harlem and Brooklyn. Like,
yo, we're gonna explore Queens today with this phone.
whoa, relax. That's too far. That's too far. I don't got a passport for that. You get the Queens. Your phone got switched to a new network. Like you got to Europe.
It's just like a Digicel, nigga. You get
Like damn, I'm roaming. I can't even use Google Maps.
What the fuck?
You gotta go.
I got off the G train at South Pin. I don't even
You know
where
what?
am I?
I know a cafe in Hillside that has Wi-Fi. Let's go find it. You know, maybe we can charge our phones.
Just like a Zelda quest.
Oh man.
You gotta go meet Victor and shit. Nigga tells you about Queens. He's like, you must travel to the land of Briarwood.
No, you don't. Remember in Legend of Zelda when you'd walk into the store and the guy would be like, "Welcome." The text over him like, "Welcome to the store." He's like, "It's dangerous. Take this.
Take this sword. It will protect you on your journey."
He just gives us a box cutter, and I just hold it in the air like Link, like doo 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 doo. Niggas try to jump us in Queens. We're throwing boomerangs. Like,
Yo, I gotta admit, they probably would throw boomerangs in Queens. When's the last time you heard of like a shooting outside of like Jamaica or Hollis?
yeah.
Or like St. Albans? We're not up to much.
I remember when I used to stay with Shorty out in South Jamaica, and I was like, wow, this feels so much like the Bronx. This feels so much like the Bronx. And I remember every time I went to see her, oh, that blicky came with me. Yeah. Oh, very definitely. And I remember we were waiting and it was like at night, and you know how like if it's a bad neighborhood, clearly, the bodega closes the door and you gotta order from the window. So niggas is in line. And there's mad niggas, there's like 4 people in line, and I'm standing there with Shorty. This guy pulls up in a wild, brand new Lexus, hops out, and walks right to the front of the window. And it's like, yo, Poppy, da 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 da. And you can clearly see the burner under his shirt. And I was like,
okay.
Patience is a virtue. This nigga, we will hurt you. Like, I was like, yo. And the thing is, I had to turn to her real quick because I saw, you know when your girl about to say something? You know when your girl about to make it hot? And she always was starting shit. Like, we was in the movies once, and she was like, you just gonna let him keep talking? And I was like, yo, what are you doing?
Why?
What are you doing? Ma, I am from the Bronx.
I was gonna let him keep talking.
I am in a Queens movie theater. He is clearly with 20 of his friends. Okay?
Like,
you can't fight. So why?
why are you doing this to me?
Okay? All right? You keep it up. We're leaving here. We're going to go watch Fern Gully. All right? I've had enough of your shit.
And that was the problem with Queens niggas. Queens niggas, everybody else was like, yo, Queens is pussy. So they had they
had to go extra hard.
And they had to go extra hard. I was just like, yo, bro, I'm not going to your party.
We're always on the block, and there's always like 20 of us.
Yeah.
Not up to much, but like come through it. Like if you're within arm's reach, yeah, you're in danger.
Yeah, and then also Queens is one big maze with avenue, hits boulevard, hits street, hits cul-de-sac. You're like, what?
Yeah.
It's definitely like
69th Road and 69th Place right here.
A lot of people don't realize this. It's not that there's blocks named after each other. It's if you're not from Queens, people from Queens run up the poles and keep switching the signs to fuck with you when you're driving around. I seen it because one time I had to wait to pick up my mother from LaGuardia, and she was her plane was running late, so I parked on a street in Queens, and I was just sleeping in the car. And when I woke up, I seen like this old lady on a ladder, and she was switching shit around.
It's
and
like
I was like, "Yo,
Mario, nigga!" They jump and they hit the pole and shit, and then the flag switches.
Yo, Queen slander. Queen slander.
No. Yo, shout out to East Elmhurst, Hazen Street. Well, what?
You know,
right, Rikers Island.
Queens Plaza Mall. You know, Left Rack City. What?
Nah,
Left Rack is all right.
That mall has an Armani Exchange.
Yeah. Okay.
I forgot. I don't remember. I don't know what mall it was that I went to, but this was when the Mets played in Shea Stadium.
We have one.
You have one? Yo,
Yeah,
everything in this mall was in Korean though. Like there was not a single English sign.
How big was the mall?
Oh, I think you were in
was like-
Chinatown, bro.
it was
You might have been on
huge.
Flushing.
It was like
Yeah, it sounds like
it was
Flushing.
like Bay Plaza size.
Yeah, it might have been
And it was-
Flushing.
Yeah,
Yeah,
it was
because we
Flushing.
just left the Met game or whatever. It's like Messier.
Yeah, that's where you were. Yeah.
And we left, we walked around, and we got there. We like, yo, let's get something to eat. We walked in there, bro. No sign. I'm looking for shit. Even in Spanish. I'm like, yo.
Even the public library has Chinese
Yep.
because
when-
signage and everything.
When I worked at the library, every now and then, like, because the library has a hold system where basically, if you use the computer and the library you're in doesn't have the book, you can reserve it from another library and they send it over for free. the thing is, like, we had a lot of older Chinese immigrants in the neighborhood that I worked in. So they'd order the books from the Chinatown library or the other libraries. The books would come in straight Mandarin, and it's just like, I'm like,
You're like,
I'm like, how do I? And they're like, did my book come in yet? I was like, I'm just holding it up, like,
Is this your book?
Is this the book? 'Cause- and then like you can scan the barcode of the book, and then it just come up. The title would come up in Mandarin on the computer. I was like, this is not helpful. This ain't helping nobody. Damn it! Can't read.
Say, where are you? You gotta just guess by the cover. You're like, yeah. Did you? Yeah, I got motherfucker on a horse with a bitch. Yeah. Holly one? Is that yours?
You know what? They just come in. I just grab 20 books. I'm like, here, just take them. Just take. Let me know if any of them work for you. I don't want no problems. Here you go.
Yeah, customers are always right.
The most annoying thing that used to happen at the library is there's parents that realize. I think the limit for taking out books for your kids is 30 books. You can take out 30 books at once, which is absolutely fucking ridiculous. There's no reason for you to be taking out 30 books.
Nuts.
That you're gonna lose half of those books. But what people would do, they take out 30 books and then they do they act like the library's fucking Netflix. They come back and they'd be like, all right, I'm returning these 6. Can you renew these 8? And I want to move these 2 to the husband's account. I'm like, yo, what are you? I'm like, we're a library. We are not Morgan Stanley.
Guilty.
What the fuck?
I would have been like, yo, because I would go in there and get my own shit, get books for myself, and then get books for the kids. So I'm like, I got a bunch of shit, whatever, and I'm like, yo, I didn't finish my shit, but this little motherfucker finished Pete the Cat in one day. So I'm bringing that shit back. But I'm like, yo, can I keep this novel? It's very good.
Yeah, I can renew it. Yo, fam, working in a library, you people don't know this, but if you work in a library, everyone in the library has a name for you. Every person that comes to the library becomes a character to the people that work in the library, depending on how you act, and then you might not be a cool name. So you see you walking in, they'll be like, yo, and then also remember, we know your government name. So the nickname is based on your government name. So they'll be like, here comes Joel the Jerk. And you're like, yo, what? You're like, what the fuck? Oh,
Donald Trump wants the NYPL.
Here comes dumbass Daniel. I'm like, what?
Oh, wow.
Why I gotta be all that?
Why, fam?
Why?
I'm just here for the sing along with the kids, bro.
I'm just here to watch Pino on the public terminal. Why you got right? All right, with the speakers on. Okay.
Right.
No, actually, no. I have. I brought my own speakers. I brought my own headphones. I brought my own headphones, which I purchased at the bodega down the block for $10. They're Kobe, which means y'all gonna hear everything.
Everything. Man,
I'm just sitting there. I'm just sitting there.
Moaning.
Oh, you hear us?
Oh, fuck. Oh, my God. Oh, yeah, you want to use my slutty hall?
I just got my face mad close to the monitor, just making everyone uncomfortable. Like,
Yo,
yeah.
I always wonder what's going through those dudes' heads, because it's not one guy. There's been many instances of dudes getting bagged at the library watching Pino.
Bro, every library has multiple people who do that. And there's because also the library has its own. It's not really a police force, but it's like an investigative unit, right, which they investigate if you steal books or if like you beat people up in the library. So it's like they cover a lot of stuff. And then like when stuff like that happens, you gotta call the inspectors, and they come through, and they can't really do nothing. But oh damn, I think
they just watched the scene with you.
They just try to.
Was he watching this? Was he watching Sarah J?
He's like, yo, could you go in the browser history and get me the title of that video? I want to investigate later.
Here's my personal email. Send me a link.
But there was this one older black guy. I think his name was Mr. Raymond, and there was this guy. I don't know what kind of Pino he was watching, but they reported him, and the investigator took the guy outside. I don't know what he said to him. That guy never came in the library again. Like, and he said, like, he talked to him on some, yo, I will fuck you up shit. Because you know, like, people talk through a window and you can kind of figure out what they're saying. I was like, yo. And he came back and, like, he won't be bothering you anymore. I was like, yo. I was like, does the library police have guns?
Fam.
That might be a fire show.
Yo, listen. Before they started, like, fuck, I don't know how the motherfuckers figure. I mean, if you're a computer guy, you figure a way around.
Yeah.
Like, as an IT dude that worked in the library, like, I'm sure you had to deal with this shit on multiple kids.
Oh, those kids.
When the computers are taken up in like the adult section, motherfuckers they don't give a fuck. They'll go over to the kids section and just sit up in there, X out Dora the Explorer nigga, and just go straight to fucking Pino.com. Like, yo, fam.
Because but I mean, if you are comfortable watching Pino in the open, you don't give a shit if you're doing it on the adult's computer or the children's computer. You just Pino anywhere.
A wild DP with like a little giraffe sticker on your monitor. Damn.
You know, listen, leave Mr. Fun alone. You know, he's just doing what he's doing.
You think he's just chilling there with the fucking Wild Fisher Price monitor and shit? Like
he's doing it during story time. He's like, "Hey, keep it down. I'm trying to watch something over here, bro."
Yo, the big, it's a big baby. He blows down 2 houses, then the other one's a brick house. He can't blow it down. Shut up! I'm trying to watch the scene.
Yo, get rid of those puppets. All right, puppet you. All right, you want to see a woman put her hand up someone's butt? Come over here.
Yeah, that's a real puppet.
Yeah. Oh, gross and nasty. They are the Sucio Boys. Oh, shout out to Showtime. No one show and late night returns to TV. We return tonight, but when you hear this, it won't be tonight. So it's back on Sunday night, the big night, the Super Bowl of nights.
That's right.
That's right.
We just came through this dunk on everything that's on the Sunday night.
Everything. 60 minutes.
700
Club.
You know what I'm saying? John Oliver took a week off. Oh, funny.
Oh, wow.
We come back. John Oliver goes on hiatus. Sounds like somebody's nervous.
Scared.
You know what I'm saying? You got cramp, nigga. You eat bananas.
Woo!
You need some potassium.
Talk that talk, okay?
Let me stop before we get beat up by British niggas. Like we do a show in London and shit. Niggas from Top Boy jump us and shit. Like
yo, we go get
my mate John Oliver, mate.
We go get hit in the head with a sock full of beans and shit. Like, it's gross. It's wet.
Ew.
Oh no, as my cousin says repeatedly, stop playing with England. We have guns, and I'm like, yeah, you do.
Yeah, everybody.
I mean,
I got guns.
I mean, but we all got guns. Like this is this is America, baby. Everyone got guns. Speaking of guns, you seen John Wick, the movie?
Yes.
You seen the third? You seen all of them, or?
I've seen, yeah, like I can't tell you which part happened in which thing or whatever, but like I've seen all of them.
Yeah.
But the best thing about those movies is that's my type of movie. Is like I like mad action gunplay type of movies.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? You just because if you sit on the couch at 2 a.m. you smizzy. You know what I'm saying? You need something to keep you up. Like I can't watch high drama. Like
you know
crying on each other.
Or when people in the movies whispering all the time.
Yeah.
Or like they got like you have to be in a certain mind state to watch a movie with subtitles, because then you forget, and then say you get distracted, you didn't read. Now you're like, oh, what happened? You gotta go back, and if it's on Amazon, forget it. That interface is shit. So,
oh my god, bro! You hit the fucking 16 rewind shit and rewind all the way to the beginning credits. Like, yo, what? No.
You don't know how. No, it's even worse if you buy or rent. Like, say you rent a movie on it that you just say you watched something 2 days ago and you want to watch it again because you liked it. If you rent it, it starts it at the say you didn't finish the end and when you just turned it off during the credits, it starts it at the credits. What fucking sense does that make? That's clearly not. Or
I'm just trying to rewatch the shit.
And then when you open it, it doesn't start. You would think it would open to the page of the stuff you saved, or maybe the stuff you're interested. No, it's like, no, here's some random bullshit.
Nah, here, hold this.
Yeah,
here's some stuff we think you'll like.
Yeah. And then they're like, hey, you clicked on the trailer for this? All right, we're just gonna make the movie start. I was like, no, I just wanted to see the trailer. Relax.
No. Yo, Netflix is mad abusive. Like, yo, they gotta stop. Mad push. Damn. I did not hit play, dog.
It's like, yo, they gotta fix this shit. I think Michael Anthony gave me corona.
No. He's good.
No, you know what it is the government trying to kill me because they knew I was going to expose this today. Now, think about it. Remember, Beyonce says she might be a black Bill Gates in the making, right? Right?
That's right.
Who invented coronavirus?
Oh,
Bill Gates. Think about it. Think about it. Wait. It goes deeper.
Go deep on them. Teach these devils.
Beyonce said, okay, ladies, let's get information. What is formation? Getting in line to get the vaccination for corona, so they put the microchip in you. You get third eye.
That's right. Information leads to vaccination.
There you go.
Which leads to indoctrination.
That's right.
You know what I'm saying?
That's right. And now, you know what's weird? Everyone that thinks coronavirus is to put a microchip inside of them, their lives are mad dry.
Yeah.
You realize that? They're not really people who...
nobody cares.
Nobody's trying to track you, bro.
At all. Like somebody, I feel like some comedians said some shit like, motherfucking, I think it was like Mike Epps. Like, dog, nobody, like, the DEA is not kicking your door down because you sell nickel bags. Like, stop talking code about nickel bag of weed. Like, stop. Like, you know what I'm saying?
Like they're just tracking regular people. And it's like people they're like, I'm not getting the vaccine because they're trying to track me. I'm like, fam, you are currently at a day party. You are not. You have not quarantined or anything. There's nothing about you the government wants to track at all.
Don't track anything. You work at Dollar Tree and you go to brunches. That's you're 2-dimensional.
That's your whole thing. That's your whole life.
You complain about your job and you go to brunches. That's it.
Come on, to put a microchip. And then as a computer person, I'm like, that's so random. Like we're just sticking a loose microchip in someone. That's
not gonna move.
We're not soldering it. It's not no.
Not gonna attach to bone or anything like that. Nah.
Exactly. What type of microchip we putting in that just can survive inside the digestive tract? Yeah. We're putting it inside you're putting it directly on your brain also or something.
Oh yes, that's right. Okay. Because the vaccine is in your brain. It goes through. It penetrates your skull and it goes into your brain. They put a chip in your brain. Get the fuck out of here, yo. I'm like, yo, Alex Jones goes off the air, everybody else becomes Alex Jones.
Yo, ridiculous. It's ridiculous, you cowards. I will fight you, you cowards. I will eat your ass.
Eat your ass.
I will eat your ass. Bro, I had the most Bronx experience this weekend. I was in the supermarket and I was buying something and then I forgot. You know when you're in line and you're about to be next on the register and I forgot I needed eggs. Get off the line, run back.
If I run,
No, I was just like, fuck it. It's going to take me too long. I'll come back and get on a different line. Oh. There was a couple in front of me, and like they were buying mad shit, and they had their kid with them. Whatever. I go get the eggs. I come back. There's another line, like way down, much shorter. Gonna make it happen. I look in front of me. The kid that was with the couple is in front. He's like waiting by the door of the store. They're checked out. They're ready to go, and he's looking behind me. And it looks like the parents had to go back. They forgot sodas or something, like a tray of sodas. And I was like, oh, okay. I turned to homie, and I was like, you want to go ahead of me because I got mad shit, and you just got that tray. My man said, why would I do that? And I was like, excuse you? He was like, what sense does that make? It's going to take the same time. What are you trying to do? I was like, yo, what? Fam. I was like, fam, like, I have mad stuff right here. You have one thing.
It's going to take me 25 minutes to ring up. You have one item.
And I was like,
what do you mean? How does that make sense?
I was like, yo, your kid is right there. And he was like, and then I guess the girlfriend was like, no, he's right. Like, she was like, thank you. And then he kind of glared at me. And I was like, nigga, the hands still work. Like, don't.
How old is this kid? This sounds like weird chemical dad shit. Like,
yeah, he was like,
make any sense at all.
He was like 24. Like, he had. But then, like, he was like, you know, I guess he felt bad. He was like, yo, thank you for that. And then I hit him with the,
yo, you fucking bozo.
No, I hit him with the wild, washed OG, granted a truth, moment of life. You know, like when you talk to an OG and they hit you with some advice. I turned to him. I said, black people gotta take care of each other, brother. Remember that.
Yo, he went home.
That's it right there. That's it right there. He was like, damn. Correction isn't punishment, right? Shit. See?
So he was sitting home that night and shit playing Uno with his shorty, and then he just stopped. He held the card in his hand. He's like, and it was wild. He's like, you know what's wild? What Desus said. Mm-hmm. It's true. Word. Then they pat out and shit in the face of black.
Cause I was like, yo, come on, man. Like, it's weird. Also, if you see another person with a Black Lives Matter shirt, give them a fist up or be like, yo, I appreciate the shirt.
Acknowledge.
Like, that's the new thing. Like, cause if I was wearing one and people was like, yo, thank you, brother, and I was like, yeah, thank you, all of us. We want to live. So yeah, that's the new hustle. Also in Harlem right now, every corner people selling Black Lives Matter t-shirts.
Black Matter t-shirts. Oh man.
And I'm not trying to make it hot. Some of you, this money's not going to any Black Lives Matter foundations. Okay,
it's just going to a Black Life. Period.
Sometimes it's not even going to a Black Life. Okay, so there's a t-shirt store over here, and it says Black Lives Matter, all lives matter, everyone open in store. And I was like, whoa, what was that? What was that second line?
What the fuck?
I was like, this is you're conflicting things, bro. What's going on? What's going on?
Yo, motherfuckers are wild. Yo, but speaking like you were saying, New York is advancing in stages or phases. My bad. Yeah. And fucking Cali and Arizona had to go backwards because they were bozos and they opened too early and they had everybody up in bars and all that shit.
Yeah, because they have it. They're going through what we were. Because remember, we had it bad, and then we all locked in, and you know, That's all we could do. We locked in and washed our hands, and everyone was laughing like, you liberal pussies, you snowflakes, what are you scared of? It's the same thing as getting the flu. And now look at y'all. I think
Fucking
New York had like, not that lives don't matter, but New York had, I think, 8 deaths today. Like at one point, we was doing wild numbers. Oh no, 8 deaths. We still doing cases, but like the fatalities are going down. But that doesn't mean take your hot ass to a day party or go hang out with people and don't, you know what I'm saying? Like, fam.
It's going down. It hasn't plateaued.
My nigga, y'all out there, y'all really trying to die for a nutcracker, a quesadilla, and some mid hookah? Is that
what are you doing?
You wanna never have grandkids because you went to go have a washed down mimosa sitting in front of a Burger King?
Huh? Ew. And the shit was hot.
Ew, nasty.
Halfway through the shit, it was hot. Mm-hmm. You gotta throw them back this time of year.
Did you see that?
Hot, mad fast.
Did you see that Vanilla Ice is having he's having a concert?
Oh my! Why?
Imagine that's
He's
how you
trying
go
to
out.
get Rona. You get Rona at a Vanilla Ice concert? Oh God!
Listen.
I don't care. Listen.
Bodega Hive. This is a direct statement from me, Mero, and Victor. If we find out any of y'all die from going to a Vanilla Ice concert,
boy,
we are going to cook you.
Roast you on
we are going to cook you.
Oh my God! We're gonna take turns. It's gonna be like a sofa. We just roast your ass.
Okay, we gonna roast you like your name was Livingston.
Livingston.
I'm still kind of caught up on the fact that Vanilla Ice can have a concert. I mean, does he even have hits like that?
Well, you know what? I was like, how, first of all, like, it's like Vanilla Ice. Who wants to see Vanilla Ice? But then they were saying people wanted to go. I found out the news media, the fake, lying, liberal, lamestream media, get them out of here. They are leaving out a very important person who's also a very important group that's also performing Vanilla Ice.
Limp Bizkit! Is it Limp Bizkit?
No, even better.
Oh, no.
Color Me Bad.
Oh, shit!
I want coronavirus. Yo.
Did they do All for Love?
No, that was...
Was that As Yet?
That was...
Wait, no,
All for One. Was All for One. All for One was like... I sang that shit in like 6th grade chorus. I'm trying to remember the song. It's not I'll Make Love to You. No. I'll Make Love. That's Boys to Men.
No, that's Boys to Men. Yeah.
Shit. It was some dumb shit. It was like some sappy, mushy song.
I know As Yet.
And it was like their
last
own
night.
Song. Yes.
Yeah.
All for One. Damn. Now you niggas make me Google this shit.
But Color Me Bad has I Want to Sex You Up.
Classic.
I Adore Me More. Like that. I'll catch Corona to hear those two live. Like, remember a couple not months ago, but maybe a couple years ago, they Color Me Bad got into a fight on stage, and one of them tried to sue the other one because he like punched him or some shit.
Yo, there's 4 dudes that Color Me Bad, right? There's one that had the like Kenny G white guy hair.
They listen, all the descriptions you're saying, they do not apply anymore. No, they look like the Impractical Jokers now. Like they don't look like. They do not look like R&B pop stars or nothing. They look like Merv and them.
The niggas backstage like, yo, do I want to sex you up? Do I want to sex you up?
Oh, God, okay, all right. Hi, doctor. I'm here because I want to sex you up. And they're like, he said it.
Tell me you want to color him bad.
Doctor, I have a really bad case that I want to color you bad. He said it. Say, tell him something else to say.
Tell
Tell him we must protect the white race.
Yeah. Tell him, yeah. Hey, Doc. We must protect the white race. Dr. Jenkins, right? He's like, get the fuck out of my office.
Yo, I don't watch the program. I think that was from that white race on Impractical Jokers. I think I saw that in a tweet. But yeah, man, that show I was watching it the other day. It's kind of they have some moments on it. They made money too.
Yo, fam, they go on tour.
Yeah,
they're huge.
They're huge,
and that's why I tell people all the time. It's like, yo, people that are like, yo, anybody's like, yo, y'all niggas ain't funny. Okay, cool, whatever. We're funny to some people. Everybody's funny to somebody. Mm-hmm. These motherfuckers are enormous. I personally, I'm like, yo, I chuckle here and there. Like you said, like they got moments. Like I'm not like falling on my chair the whole time.
Yeah,
but they got moments.
And they have fans. They got fans.
What? Yo,
They got the
I feel like
joints.
they got from fans to stands. Like,
Yeah.
you know what I mean? Like when you got fans that are just fans, like I genuinely believe that there's Bodega Hive that will punch a nigga in the face if they're like, yo, these Mero are white.
If they're what? If they're white?
Or like,
Oh, you said if they're whack.
yeah.
I was like, if someone's saying we're white, listen, please don't
Just
fight
send the
them.
Google image.
Please just get away from them, because they're probably they're just spitting and pushing people on the train tracks. Like, I got a radio with my titty. These Mero are white. Big Cheese is trying to kill me. Giuliani eats glizzies. Like,
I got glizzy until I got elephantiasis of the glizzy. What? Nigga starts drinking track water.
Ooh, the precious.
face
Give
on
me more.
fire.
Give me more. And you know what? All that could happen, and New Yorkers would not even move off the platform.
Not an inch.
Not even
You hear
say,
me?
just like move, maybe step away, like 1 foot away, but not
Yeah.
by much.
Like
Not by
without
much.
even stopping looking at the phone. Like a New York person will like be on the subway and the dude will just fall, drop dead right next to him, and he'll just like sidestep without even looking at the fucking thing.
Sorry.
Like, yo, sorry, my
Excuse me,
bad.
you gotta do the New York. Excuse me, coming through. When you like, well, like you're pushing your way through. Like, sorry, coming through.
Yo, pardon me.
Pardon. Yo, a pardon while you're aggressively forcing yourself on the train. That's big energy.
Yo, with the elbow. Yo, fam. Because like, yo, if you want to play NFL lineman. Work out on the fucking New York City subway. That's where you learn
There you go.
the mean swim move, dog. You can break through any tackle, dog. Like, fuck that.
Another
Get to
professional.
the car.
Another professional move you learn that when you like boxing out for a rebound, if you know where the train door is going to stop, if that is your station and you got that shit memorized, you're standing right there. And you see someone else, and then someone gets a little too close to you, and you gotta like tighten the legs. Yeah, just box them out.
Spread your arms out, shit. Get into the triple threat states.
Or even another advanced New Yorker position is when you're at the door. You're the other person right at the door, but the train is OD crowded and mad people got to get out. So you got to get off the train, but legally you're still on that train. So you got to make sure you get back on the train before the new niggas at the station. So you tell everyone to back up. Yo, you New Yorkers told what I'm talking about. You know what I'm talking about.
If you're Buns, you actually put your hands on the door, but if you
hold the door,
you just stand there with your arms crossed, like I dare you, I dare you, my nigga. You see where I was standing? I was standing right next to the second pole in the middle. I'm going right back there.
Also shout out to all my New Yorkers. Every New Yorker has done this. You've gotten on a train that you know you do not fit on. Okay?
Oh, absolutely.
You know that train is too crowded, but the doors hesitated just a little too long, and you hopped in, and now everyone's looking at you. So now you're not making eye contact with anybody. You're just looking around, wait for the train to move, so people stop staring at you. You realize you have nowhere to hold on to because you're like reaching for the roof. There's no pole, so maybe you try to balance on the door, but you can't balance on the door. So now you got to kind of lean on someone in front of you, and you got to apologize when they're like, "Yo, what the fuck are you doing?" But you're just like, "It's crowded. We're all here together."
You ever feel that little twinge when when it's like the car's packed and you just lean it back on the door, and it's an old ass train. And the shit, you go through the tunnel and shit hits a bump or some shit, and the door just does like a little shutter.
Opening. Like, and you gotta lean forward, like what?
One North Face strap could be the end of you right there, dog.
Oof. The train.
A lot of shit.
Damn, I haven't ridden the train in forever. Not because of the cars and shit, because of Corona. Like
Corona, dog. This shit's like a petri dish.
I had to go to the Apple store the other day, and I had to walk there. Like I had to walk from the Bronx to like 88th Street, and I thought I was like, that's a doable walk. It's not. People.
Nah. You see me walking on the highways. It's to the mall. That's me.
Bro, that was a hell of a. Like I was walking so long, like my armpits were drenched, which is just like the most sad looking shit in New York City summertime.
Man.
But then I got the mask on, so no one knows it's me. So I'm like, what do you want, bro? I'm a scumbag, bro.
I'm just a regular scumbag like you, bro.
Just a regular guy like you, bro. Just a regular guy with a show on at Sunday nights at 11 p.m. You know the fucking vibes. Have you been recognized while wearing the mask? Because
yo,
that's
you know
weird.
what it is? So the only shout out to OJ, you know what I'm saying? Peter Pan Posse, you're in the little vibes. You know what I'm saying? Trips up, never down. Fucking, he sent me masks. Those are the masks that I got. You know what I'm saying? So like, I wore them already like on Instagram. So niggas, I feel like niggas recognize the mask and they're like, oh shit, like I seen you on I know it's you. Whatever. So that happened once, and the dude was just mad hesitant because it happened at the gas station. So Jersey, they gas your car for you, so you don't got to get out. But homie was standing outside his car, and he had his mask on, I had my shit on, and he was like, yo, Mero, baby, what's good, baby? And I was just like, what's up? Like, I did the fucking, like, the little Japanese, like, anime, like, kawaii, like.
Yo, because that's what you, listen, a UPS driver in a truck, we was, like, in the street, he was like, yo, Desus, and I was like, how the I figured maybe the tattoos or something, but, like, I was like, wow. Something. I was like, damn, Bodega Hive definitely gonna kill us. Like,
I try not to laugh in public with the mask on, because niggas are like, yo, that's him.
Well, you know, it's also cool with the mask. You can have a full conversation with yourself, and no one can see you're talking to yourself. I've been having the wild, deep conversations in public. Like, yo, bro, let me ask you something, bro. Like, I mean, why do we still have the discussion about if Ether was better than Takeover? Takeover was such a better song, bro.
I mean, he was spitting facts.
Bro,
like,
a lot of people
was
don't.
just like a homophobia and like.
He was just like some insults,
childish shit.
It was ridiculous. It was beneath him, and the beat was trash, bro. Like, what come on, bro. But then I get close to a person, I gotta lower my voice. I'm like, yeah, the beat was trash, bro. You know, it's like just whatever's going on. You know what I'm saying?
They think I'm talking about.
But then passing like, yeah, you know what I'm saying. And then let's talk about Super Ugly. I mean, that was hard.
Woo! That was brutal. That was Jay being like, yo, you like, I'm mad now. Like, now you gotta be tight. Like, Takeover was just like, yo, I'm gonna pick you apart, you and all your peoples, your whole crew, your whole everybody. And then Ether came out and everybody's like, oh shit, yo, oh Ether, yo. Then Jake was just like, oh, word? Okay, gloves is off. You know what I'm saying? We talk about wifeys, baby mamas, children, all that shit.
I love that we're talking about Ether and Takeover, and one of the things I hate the most is where the timeline talks about Takeover and Ether. I'm like, why are we discussing this again? But it's not. I don't want to get in the conversation. It's like we already know who won. Like, why are we still? But then you always have contrarians who were not there, and they read a couple of fucking Rap Genius articles, and now they want to pontificate the history of hip hop to people. And we're like, fam, we were there. We were there.
If anything,
next year, to give some context, next year is the 20-year anniversary of the song Ether.
Yo, and it's wild because Ron Browse, shout out to Ron Browse, who produced,
AKA Ether Boy,
literally made a career off of making that beat. So shout out to him.
Yo, that was one of the worst summers in New York. Like,
fam, no, what was it?
I'm jumping out the window with this one.
And now wifing in the club, give me $20. Give me $20. Give me $20.
And the beat wasn't like harmonic. It was just like, fam, the Ether beat literally sounds like the first beat you made with a cracked version of Fruity Loops. Like, it didn't sound finished.
Just like, yo, throw some timpani in there. Fuck that. I don't even know what that means, but we gonna use it.
It sounds like a beat someone puts underneath a tweet that you make that has nothing to do with it. They're like, yo, big homie, check out my beats.
Yo, check out my shit. Yo,
check out my shit, yo.
Out of the 99% of everybody on your timeline. I'm like,
yo, Mero, it'd be an honor if you just listen to my stuff. Big fan, thanks. And then you go look in the timeline, and they say they've cut and pasted that to every verified account.
Literally every verified account.
Yo, John Legend, big fan. Yo,
Rachel Ray, I fucks with you heavy.
Yo, J.K. Rowling, big fan. Please check out my music when you're not being transphobic. Yo, holla. Oh,
yo, this NBA shit is gonna be a mess. I'm telling you right now.
I don't think it's happening, bro.
Mero Damas predicting this shit is like gonna be. It's gonna divide locker rooms. If it even happens, if they even carry it out, this shit is gonna fuck up team chemistries and all that type of shit.
Some people just got tested positive today, like 4 people.
Yep. And there's people being like, yo, and there's dudes that are stars, like Damian Lillard and shit, being like, yo, I'm not playing, dog.
Which is smart.
Fuck that. Like, I'm not.
Which is
for
smart.
What? You know
hey, but you know who? Yeah, well, we're like, this is not smart. This is stupid. Why are they gonna do this? And LeBron's like,
I'm getting my ring.
Shut up. Shut them up. Shut them up. We get in this ring. La 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 la. Yo, Mav, buy Showtime. Shut these niggas off. Like, no.
Shut these niggas. Get these niggas out of here.
All right.
Make him tweet something about Hong Kong.
Dr. Fauci's like, it's a terrible idea. LeBron's like, yo, shut him up. Shut him up.
Yo, get that nigga out of here.
Get him out of here.
Tell him to chill. Yo, fucking kick him out the Zoom.
Yo, LeBron wants this. He wants this championship so bad. He will play through Zoom if it counts. Okay?
He'll play with Rona, dog. He'll play with his lungs 80% full of fluid. Like, yo, I don't give a fuck.
He's like, you know what? Okay, so we can socially distance. Each court is a mile long in each direction. All right. There we go right there. The game is till 5. It's only 3 players, and they allow to drive in cars. And we're gonna be like, fam, you're getting an asterisk on the championship. I'm sorry.
Dog.
Come on, bro.
You got Bubba Wallace, a small forward? What's going on
Okay,
here,
that's
dog?
not. You're like, yo, niggas is trash talking with the engines like. The
one nigga in the Tesla's mad quiet, like, yo.
I'm like, oh, I'm watching at home. I'm like, yo, I think he got nitro. It's like a big scandal and shit. Yo.
PDs. Yo, he's doing donuts at half court, but you hate to see it.
Oh my God, LeBron, relax. And did you see? They asked some NBA player, and they were like, who was it? I think it was one of the Lakers. They was like, should this championship, whoever wins, should it get an asterisk? And they was like, no, because this is possibly one of the hardest seasons ever. So this one actually might count more than the other. I'm like, yo, get out of here, bro.
Nigga, you been home training for like 8 months straight, resting.
It's not even like this shit's getting an asterisk, okay? This is like when you were in college or in school, and like the teacher's like, yo, you failed the course, and you like, come on, yo, I stopped. Yo, I showed up every day for the last month though. Like, come on. I did like 5 of the homework assignments. Come on, give me something.
Every single one, yo.
Come on, give me some bonus credit, man.
Please?
I just need. I
do
need at least a 65.
I do like extra paper, some shit, like whatever you need, yo. A packet.
Whatever, you know what I'm saying?
He's asking for packets.
You want me to cut someone's face? I got you. The acid. And then, have you been watching like the showing the MLB players running around the bases with the masks on?
Yo,
like,
it looks ridiculous, bro.
It looks so ridiculous.
It's so wild. I'm like, yo, this is such a reach. Yo, just chill. Like, just call it for 1 year. Is that
real sports? Real sports are Crayola. The sports right now during coronavirus are rose art. Okay, nobody wants this shit. People are like, it's gonna help people's psyche and it's good for the Americans. No, it's not. No one wants it. This is like when you ask your parents for McDonald's. We got McDonald's at home, and now your mother makes you a hamburger and gives it to you on white bread. Huh? That's not McDonald's.
Nah, it's not McDonald's, Mom.
Okay. Mom, I know that's not special sauce. I saw you get the mayonnaise, the mustard, and the ketchup and mix it together. You're not low.
Ma, this is not a chicken nugget, bro. These are Crasdale breadcrumbs.
I get mad because my mother, instead of getting the frozen fries, my mother get a straight up potato, chop it up, put it in the deep fryer. I'm like, these are not American potatoes.
And now you gotta pay extra for that shit. That's the wild shit. Now you gotta pay extra for that type of shit. I was like, you want hand cut fries? That'll be $15 with truffle oil.
I'm like, yo, I want some chicken nuggets. My mother like cut out straight chicken breast and put bread on it. I was like, this is not the same.
Yo, my mom used to do the same shit, and she used to add insult to injury and be like, yo, these are FIFA McNuggets. They're better. I'm like,
yeah, you're like, I'm like, stop being, like, you added your name. Oh, wow.
You're rebranding them. Cool,
wow.
Thanks
That's cool. You know what?
Yeah.
Ronald McDonald's a clown, and so are you. And they're like, what'd you say? I'm like, nothing.
Nothing. I didn't say nothing. What do you mean?
You know, when your mother hits you with a, what'd you say? You better say nothing. I say nothing. Why would I say something?
I said yum.
I said, wow.
I said
I didn't call you a clown. I said I can't wait to chow down. Yeah, you misheard. Sorry.
I love this stuff. It's so good.
Yeah. All right. Oh, I'm loving it. There's a Burger King, but you are clearly the Burger Queen. Ha ha ha.
I think I've been doing the Spice Adams since I was like fucking 5. Every time you talk about McDonald's, you thought.
Especially because we lived over by Fordham Road, so you know that McDonald's right there on Fordham Road. Every time I'd be like, yo, can we? And my mother would be like, no. And I was like, damn. I was like, I'm gonna ask again. I ain't done. I'm just warming up.
My kid was asking my cousins and shit because I'd be like, yo, I'll guilt them into taking me out. I'll be like, yo, ma, tell Patty to take me out or whoever the fuck. And then I'd be like, yo, give me McDonald's. And they'd be like, you want McDonald's? I'd be like, yeah. And they have these little part-time jobs. Shout out to my cousin Patty, who used to work at Mandy's on Tremont. R.I.P. Mandy's. And she used to take me to McDonald's.
Take it back.
Hell yeah. And I used to gas her up to give me McDonald's.
Ooh, excuse me.
You know what I'm saying? All you young heads? Yeah. Oof. You leave it good. You eat good, Daddy. You eat good, Daddy. You know what I'm saying? This is my favorite Fab song.
Sorry. I almost choked right there. Sorry, guys.
Little acid reflux?
No, I took a weird...
Oh, down the wrong pipe?
Hey, whoa, hey, whoa, hey.
Talk.
Hey, that's that wild glizzy talk, huh? Hey, let me get 2 pipe. You know what? Shout out to Tommy. Tommy Alter the God, because this time last year we were in Europe for the Red Sox Yankee game over there, and they had a sick. You could buy like I think it was, I don't hold on. Let me just fact check it. Hot dog, Red Sox Yankees, London. Series.
Don't tell me the shit was like 2 feet long. Some wild shit.
Shit was wild long. Oh, it was 2 feet long, bro.
2 foot glizzy.
It was a 2 foot. It was a 2 foot international glizzy blood. International glizzy mates. Blimey. Oh, blimey.
It was on the BBC, mate.
Whoa. That's .6096 meters. Whoa. Look at the glizzy.
The glizzy weighs 2 stone.
Whoa. Oh, he's eating a Buckingham Palace glizzy. Whoa.
Yeah.
Whoa.
Oh shit.
He has Zed
glizzy.
He has Zed. Yo, he has Zed mouth reflex.
Zed gag reflex on this bloke. This is what say
Busy
bloke.
talk.
I'll be saying shit like I don't even know what's current and outdated. UK Bodega have help me out.
Well, it depends on what
the Tim Westwood
they have
shit, and
different.
people were like, you sound like another British personality. I'm trying to remember his name.
But I mean, to be fair, every British personality sounds the same to us. Like
Tim Westwood just sounds like an excited Pierce Morgan.
Anybody, exactly. It shouldn't be like that, but it's the truth. If you played me a telephone recording of Skepta and then you played me one from Meghan Markle, I'm like, what? Who?
Yo, who's the same person?
Same person, bro.
Meghan Markle's like, I'm from America.
She's British. She comes from the same place as Paddington Bear.
I was on a USA show.
No, you were in the USA now because you got kicked out of England. I saw that before. You were born in Trafalgar Square, I believe.
Okay, all right.
Yo, I said this before. If you guys ever want to go down into the wormhole of scumbag England, go on Twitter and search Meghan Markle, and they hate her, bro. They hate her, and not on some.
They hated Diana, and she was like the whitest woman on earth.
This is some next level shit because they saying that Meghan Markle worked for Jeffrey Epstein and they used Soho House to traffic women. Because there's a picture where they're at the same time or some shit like that.
What?
And people and they're just like, yes, and that's why she infiltrated the royalty to. It's wild, and they spend all day doing this. It's like MAGA people in England. And like the thing is, I'm just like, who feels that strongly about Meghan Markle? Like. That's like us in America going hard against Baron Trump or something. No, that's not
like Baron Trump. Goddamn.
Well, whoever married Don Jr.
Live. Yeah, right. Exactly. Yeah. We don't even know. She's not even on the radar. But
no, actually, she didn't get. No, he didn't get married. He has a girlfriend or some shit like that, and she just tested positive for corona. So, yep. Hate to see it.
You hate to see it.
And then he was like, "Oh, I haven't been around her. I haven't seen her in 2 weeks." And he got hit with a "this you" because they were seen at a very crowded party together last weekend. So
and fucking shit, shorty that speaking of like government people or whatever. This literally just came to my brain. The fucking lady that was associated with Epstein. And is now
Giselle. Yeah, she's in jail. She said she's going to. They said she's reportedly agreed to work with the feds. So, what's going to happen is either two things: she's going to commit suicide or mysteriously die of COVID.
Yep.
It's only two. Yep.
The only two things.
And watch.
I'm like, yo, and
then watch. The Attorney General Barr is going to like visit. He went to visit her or some shit like that, and like. You know how this ends.
This shit
dog. Feels so eyes wide shut. Like I'm about to watch that movie again.
Yo, it's wild, bro. It's bad. It's like brazen.
What?
Was that a good movie?
Yeah, no.
I didn't get it at the time, and with all this weird sex stuff like coming out of Hollywood, specifically with Epstein, it's like I need to watch it again with fresh eyes. Also, when it came out, I was like 12 years old, so I was just like, all right, they're masks,
you're like, yo, titties,
boobs. So
yeah, exactly.
You give a little, you get a little.
It was what was
dead ass, but if you rewatch it, it's definitely you get heavy like weird secret Hollywood sex.
They may have been
vibes.
speaking in code this whole time.
Yeah,
you know what? Speaking of movies that you see,
that was Kubrick's last movie before he perished.
Talk about movies that you see as a child that don't make any sense. but you just watch it for titties. I remember there was this movie. Oh my god, it was my father. He had it. It was like, Victor, you know, My Life as a Dog. Do you remember that movie? It was a wild independent film way back in the day. I think it was like Swedish or some shit. And there was like a scene where he was on the roof and he was looking down, and this lady, she's on her bed and he's looking through the window and she rolls over and you see the titties and then he falls off the roof. Fam, I must have watched that scene at least 160,000 times. I have no idea what that movie was about.
A Swedish drama film that came out 85? Yo.
Yeah. But it wasn't. I didn't see it in '85. I think we saw it later because we moved uptown, and there was my father started like renting stuff, and then he made it like a.
Yo,
what the hell is this movie? Wow, this movie is deep as shit.
Yo, for real. I'm like boxing matches.
What is
What's the whole town of ropes and joy? What?
The hell?
Yo, yeah.
Also, there's a part in the movie where older boys trick him, like they get him to stick his dick in a glass bottle. And he freaks out because he can't get it out, and they have to like shatter it against the wall, and he like passes out or some shit like that. And so I was like, in my head, I was like, oh, I guess that's gonna happen one day, so I better get ready. I better just walk around with some butter in my pocket.
You know what I'm saying? Just in case I gotta squeeze my dick out of something.
Squeeze my dick out of a bottle. Speaking of squeezing the dick out of a bottle, shout out to Freddie Gibbs, the homie, for coming through.
Yes, sir.
Being on the new show. You know what I'm saying?
The lumberjack match against academics.
Listen, we're not picking sides. We're journalists. We're just reporting what's happening, baby.
Reporting what's happening out there, and academics is getting fucking brutalized by Freddie Gibbs.
It's an exhibition. He's down. He's down. Stop kicking him in his head.
The refs are gonna have to call a stop to this. This is brutal.
At this part, there's a fight you're watching on the train, and you were enjoying it, and now you're getting concerned.
You're like, yo, chill, yo, son.
Yo, my man, he stopped moving already.
Yo, son,
yo, fam, that's a felony. That's a felony. Stop kicking him in the head. What the fuck? Yo, you won.
Bro,
you might actually get to a fight. Yo, stop. Yo, my man. All right, enough.
Nigga, stop.
Enough.
Yo, I'm trying to help you. You just caught a body in front of 50 niggas,
yo,
bro.
What's
wrong with
you? Yo.
Fuck is wrong
Look
with you?
Look at that.
Son?
His arm ain't even supposed to bend that direction. Get out of here before the cops come. Damn,
yo, his
man.
eyeball isn't even in the socket. Yo, you better get the fuck out of here, son.
He's not wearing a pink hat. That's his brain. That's his brain. Get out of here.
Shit. Oh my god.
Damn. Meanwhile, I'm on Periscope like, you know the fucking vibes. Yo, it's your boy D. You know I got that good. We got those exclusive fight train videos. Bodega Boys in the tunnel. Yo, look at this nigga. He's damn near dead. Yo, wow.
You got the mask on. Like, yo, look at this motherfucker.
Yo, remember, if you like what we see, make sure to hit subscribe, like, and comment. Yo, that's fine. Be sure to hit our donations button. Yo, shout out to Hindu Guy 77 with the $20 donation. Cha-ching, cha-ching. Thank you, God. Your money keeps this channel alive. You know what? We're going to you gotta plug at Twitch, right?
Oh yeah.
Tell them to give us academic soda count.
Oh, I like it. Gamesmanship. Checkmate.
That's right. Look at them.
I mean, more money than all you motherfuckers, and you benefit off of hip hop African Americans. I was like, what does that mean?
That hip hop African Americans sounds like something Khalees said on an early Neptune's track. Like, hip hop African Americans. Yeah. Hip hop African Americans. Pharrell's like, yo, I'm flying from here to Vienna, eating the sausage. Like, you niggas could never. Hip hop African Americans. Living in America, the hip hop African American. And then Pusha T just comes through like, ugh. I push that snow to the whites like Blake. Yo, so much dope I could flood a lake. And like you listen back, you're like, oh, Pusha T was back. Pusha T was on this song. He was talking about drugs. Okay.
Okay, cool. Yeah, all right. That's nice. I'm like, yo, every song they're on, my man's talking about drugs, no matter what. Like, it could be a Justin Timberlake song about getting a toppy in the whip. Niggas talking about somehow works a cocaine line into that.
But it always works. It always, like, even his old cocaine lines sound as good as his new cocaine lines. And no other rapper's cocaine lines, like Jay-Z got cocaine lines, and Jeezy got lies. But Pusha got cocaine lines that they're like, yo, hey, I'm presently selling cocaine lines. You know what I'm saying? He's like, yo, pushing that, it was hard to push that coke during that week of July 5th, 2020. You're like, whoa, this track just dropped today.
It's like the Dave Chappelle Tupac shit. Like, yo, hold on, wait. When did you record this?
And then those, but I'm biased because we have people in common that went to jail and some. But that's also what makes it funny because people just like he didn't sell any drugs, and he.
And it's the old man. It's just Jeezy Rodriguez is the dude. I mean, you could talk about it's not snitching now because he did the time
Right.
or whatever. But they were like, yo, that's you know what I'm saying. Like he talked about that shit. He was like, yo, I used to be in the studio with niggas and like I would just be talking about shit.
Maybe to you that's not snitching, okay? But the way I was raised, I don't even say other males' names, sir. Okay? I treat other people like I'll be like, yo, I don't who? Nah.
Yo, make sure you watch me and my nigga at 11 p.m. You know what I'm saying? On Showtime.
Yeah. We're just doing the promo. It's like, yo, watch Jesus and. They're like, what? They're like, how was that booped already? Nah, I self-censor. You know what I'm saying? I'm trying to make it hot for my man. They're like, join us tonight on Jesus and tonight we're joined by and then special guest we're going to talk to Jesus and only on. They're like,
yo.
They're like, they're like, yeah, we got a couple of pickups. Like, I'm like, boop boop.
Yo.
They're like, Jesus, you mispronounced the second boop. I was like, oh, sorry.
Oh, shit, my fault.
Sorry. I'll do it again.
Do it again. Yeah, you want to switch? Yo.
But then I'm fucked because our guest is Betty Boop. And I'm like, yo.
It's not even Betty Boop. It's just a Puerto Rican grandma with a Betty Boop tattoo.
Aye.
Classic.
Wow, Mero, you're gonna make my computer crash. You have to narrow down the parameters. Puerto Rican grandma with a Betty Boop.
That's like standard.
Like, could you find me a black person?
Every West Indian that's like over 40 has that little smallpox.
Yes. You know the vibes. You know that little dark spots.
You know what I'm saying? If you're a Puerto Rican grandma, you're obligated to have a Betty Boop tattue or a
Yankee tattoo,
or Yankee
tattoo, or a Coqui frog.
You know what I'm saying?
You know the fucking sushi vibes.
Parade, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah. Damn, they don't even have parades no more.
Oh man, damn.
But no, you know what? No, people are still. The Bronx is still very active and congregating. People are at Orchard Beach, and I say this. I want everyone to think about this. A lot of you people, some of the people you used to hang with, used to allow you to view their close friends on Instagram. You can no longer view their close friends because maybe you've been on Twitter being judgy about people going out, and you talk shit about them, and they out there going out, and they feel guilty, and they don't want you to flame them, so they've removed you from your close friends. So if that's what you are, I would like to say, be ashamed of yourself. You are a disgusting person.
Shame.
You non-mask wearing, going out, probably eating butt on Delancey. You know, just not.
In the Delancey McDonald's bathroom?
In the Delancey McDonald's, bro. I just ate a McChicken. Enjoy it. Like, bro.
Like that fucking bozo kid that licked the toilet? You fucking worm. Like,
there was a kid today. The guy today, he went to Fire Island. And he's out there. He's like, oh, no mask, whatever. And then I guess his brother replied and was like, Mom and Dad have chemo on Friday. You better not fucking come back in the house. Like,
wow, you're an extra special piece of shit.
But that could be fake. But you know what? It sounds good, so we're running with it. So how you feel about that?
It's on the internet, so it's real.
Exactly. When have facts ever mattered? All right. You know what? And I'm saying this right now. I'm going to tell the next generation there was no basketball in 2020. So even if there is basketball, even if there is a trophy, me and Mero will spend every day until we die editing that Wikipedia page until we're banned from there.
And that's
it. That's it.
Period.
Okay? You know catch. Me and Mero are going to be the only people at Knicks game against when the Bronx playing. We're like, asterisk. And Walt Frazier's going to be like, they're calling him the Ass Eric. I'm not sure what
I
that
would
is.
use that type of language. You know, I never had a technical foul in any of my NBA games.
Is that true, Walt? Is that true, Walt?
Yes.
Every time Walt Frazier talks about playing, like he acts like he's like, I've never had a technical foul, and afterwards I would often share a taxi cab with a pregnant woman to save money. And he was like, what does this have to do with basketball?
And he low-key slanders everybody. He's talking about
everybody.
He's like, well, Damian Lillard brings the ball up the court. Oh. The court is 52 feet wide, but not wide enough for him, apparently. He tosses the ball out of bounds. Like, what the fuck?
Walt Frazier gives you black uncle insults. Like, yo, it doesn't have to be that. Doesn't have to be that.
Facts.
He used to cook Mello, bro.
Yo, what?
He used to cook Mello. He's like, oh, that's not a shot I would have taken. Like,
Yo,
wow,
time. Bro.
Yo, fam, he can hear you. He's right there.
Fam, and I know. Tell me you remember this game. It was when Bargnani was still on the team, and I think they were playing the Bucks. And the ball bounced out. There was like 10 seconds left, and they could have just held the ball and got the dub.
Yes,
and this nigga just chucked up a 3 for no reason. And
I remember that.
Clive Frazier was about to like go ham, but then he realized he was on TV. He's like, he was about to be like, "What the fuck?" He's like, "Folks, what is he doing, folks?"
I remember that.
And he used to call him Barney Ernie.
Yes. I remember that game because I swear to you, you could hear every New York fan in New York City at the same time go, "Yo, my man, what the fuck?" Also, to show how pathetic the Knicks are, we are not bonding over a memory of a championship. No. We are bonding over a hurtful loss because that's all we have.
Some trash ass
trash ass Knicks.
That
okay?
was the worst. I was like, yo, this dude is stealing money. Hand over fist. I was like, yo, this guy. Oh my god. The only good thing was Clyde saying his name wrong every single time he touched the ball. Barney Ernie in the ball. I was like, Barney Ernie? That's his name? I bet. Aren't those Sesame Street characters?
That's who Bert was cheating on.
Ernie went?
Bert, yes.
Bart and Bernie sounds better than Bart and Bernie. Bart and Ernie. Fuck out of here.
I was about to say, did we ever do a problematic Bert and Ernie thing? And I was like, yeah, we probably did one like a week ago. Like,
probably did one like 10 minutes ago. I forgot.
Yes, he's swelling. Making art. Number one art, you know what it is? Episode 209. Another one. Another one.
Oh my god.
The only thing that is consistent in 2020. Days of the week are gone.
Yep.
You don't got jobs is gone. Babysitters is gone. School's a job. Jobs are gone. But you know what you get? You get the art.
That's right.
And good art. Not like me and Mero talking mad depressed in NPR terms about
hey,
so Mero, I was looking at the new report from Dr. Fauci, and he says that it looks like the curve is flattening a little in New York, but we want to take that false information and apply it to other parts of the country. How do you feel about Florida's rush to go to stage 2?
I mean, personally, I feel it's very irresponsible. As you know, Florida has one of the highest concentrations of senior citizens in the United States. So, those are the people most highly at risk. So I think it's very foolish of the state government to accelerate the process that the way they are right now. This has been episode 209.
All right,
thank
you, Doctor. Thank you, Dr. Mero. Next we have a commercial from our sponsor, Picture Bitch. Buy your kids Picture Bitch.
Yo, it's me, your boy D is nice, aka Young Chipotle, aka Pocket Stay Fat like Terrio, aka Pocket Stay Fat like. Here we go. Some of that might know you, bitch. Young Day Party canceled. Young Hot Take, DJ Fuego, Mr. Nando's with Rondo, canceled. 1994, Mikhail going off, the Juve boss, canceled. MC Luka Gungapi, pulling up from 40 with your shorty, but I'm 40 feet away from her because of social distancing.
That's right.
Don't talk to me in the Uber pool because Uber pool is canceled. Also, I don't know you. Okay?
Give me a break.
The original, my +1 got a +1, so don't make a fuss on. I'm changing that. The original, I am not going to the event. Okay? That is the new AKA. Invite me, I am not going. Send me a Zoom link.
No RSVPs.
Okay? He's Rossi in the Jamaica Jew. Jermaine Avocado Toast, Young Pa, the Ghost of Mufasa, Young Chacuni without the coonery, A.K. Chilimon, left-handed reliever for the Yankees. Okay, can you? Yeah. You think we're going to? You think we're going to play? See,
Papi, I hope not because my money's guaranteed anyway. Fuck out of here.
Yeah, we get that Rockefeller sports money. Yeah. Two phone Joes, Dizek Machina, Jake Chuckles, Stanley Cups, the humor about the bond is labeled dilute. They changed the label. They changed the label. It's not. It doesn't have all the wildness anymore. You have to go online and look at the old labels because the old labels.
Yeah, that's classic
real,
art.
That's real bottle art. Real bottle art.
Yeah, word.
Leonardo DiCaprio, Mr. 240p, because I like my Pinot blurry. Okay, I like it. I like my Pinot blurry. I like when you click the link and then X Hamster or Pornhub panic because they're like, yo, no one has clicked that link in like 7 years. Hold on.
Like, hold on.
They gotta run downstairs to go to the cardboard box to find the 3.5 disc that the AVI file is on.
They're like, he's looking for what?
Bro, he's looking for Bro, he's looking for a QuickTime file. What the
Oh my
fuck?
God! What the hell is going on here? What's an AVI?
It's just like a 20-year-old IT administrator. Like, what the fuck? What the fuck?
What is this?
doing?
The fuck is this, dude? I've never heard of this.
What is this? Never seen this. DJ Woolite, aka listen to Watch the FM. Listen, Watch the FM is giving a special rest in peace to Huey, who made a 2007 hit, Pop Lock It Drop It.
Yep.
He was killed in a double shooting in St. Louis. So shout out to him because Pop Lock It Drop It was a heavy song in the club, right? Pop Lock It Drop It.
Pop
Lock It. That was back when songs had the instructions for the dance right in the hook, okay?
Right in the hook.
Pop,
you didn't have to
Lock It, Drop It.
Yep, that's it.
Nope.
And you could be drunk
no TikTok
as fuck
shit
and still do it.
No TikTok shit. Even though, let's be clear, guys were not supposed to be the ones pop locking and dropping it. Okay?
Yeah.
Okay?
I'm a pop locking and dragging need a glizzy right now.
Okay? Meanwhile, I'm lying. I know the video of me pop locking and dropping it, like while drunk at fat black pussycat or some shit. I got a do-rag and a kufi like Usher. Just sad. Yo, the Curry Goat, Desus Spicer, Jamal Ashford.
Dropping at Spy Lounge.
Yo, Spy Lounge. Wow. Bro.
Yo, let's go do some blow at lit, bro.
Bro. Bro, I seen Mero pop locking and dropping it at APT, bro. Talk to your boy. Yo, the Curry Goat, Desus Spicer, Jamal Ashford, the Bronx, Celine Dion, Ray Nephew's nephew, the Moreno you can't contain, the human mimic, Richard Jaw, Young Aaron, the racist provocateur, Henry Budcoast, Nelson Bangdella, Sergio Can't See Me, Vladimir Buffin, the human Werther's melting in your mouth, Mr. Bex on Dexington, Ricky Tiki Squabby, Greg Popovich, Morris says Richard Chestnut, Mahatma Gandhi, not Maccabee, but I got that cool.
He got it.
The juice of the press, what your boy whatever it is. I am the art, damn it, the Dundada Ganoush, Norma Cup of Noodles, the Prince of Peckham. Sorry, I'm not allowed to leave New York or America because my country is the ghetto. Sorry.
That's right.
Yo, we're really banned from other countries. Like that needs to be more of a thing. Like people need to realize that. Like Donald Trump said he's gonna build a wall, and it was like salute you. And now we're here. We're here.
Yo, they should do that. Every other country should ban like American entry flights. Yo, for like 6 months, just be like, yo, eat a dick.
Yo, bro, right now, America is that weird kid, and we're showing up at the house party. And they're like, no, you can't come in.
Yeah, no, you smell weird.
Oh, they're like, yo, it smells like pee and cigarettes.
Yeah, why? Did you pee on yourself?
Get out of here. The fashionable Casanova. We met since $5, $10, $10. Forget the small change. Give me a big money wine. The only anthem I salute is Dipset. Mr. Saga, catch me at square one, top left, through Zoom, of course. True Rizzuto, holy cow. Mr. Soft Palms, because all I do is count checks and jerk off and wash my hands repeatedly. Maybe 6, 7, 8, 9 times a day. The shit is ridiculous. The shit is absolutely fucking ridiculous. And now the worst thing is, if I walk in the house, sometimes I panic and think I didn't wash my hands, even though I did wash my hands, and I touch my eyeball, and now I think I got bitten by a zombie because no one knows how this shit works. All right? I don't want to live in The Walking Dead. Help us!
No.
All the other countries, send the UN to help take over America. We hurting over here, baby.
I was doing this. It's wild because I was doing this before Corona.
Yeah.
Like I've just gotten worse. Like I've gotten so bad that I had to get the heavy duty lotion for your hands.
Yeah.
Like for when your shit start to crack.
The real heavy shit.
Yeah. That shit is just like.
I was washing my hands before, but the way I'm washing them now, you would think I was about to go in for surgery.
Yo, facts. I got my kids doing the surgical scrub shit. Like
yeah,
with the thumb
yo.
and the fucking in between, middle of the palm and shit.
I have 10 toothbrushes and a different toothbrush for every finger. So. I do not. We got OJ, Purple Stuff, and Soda. It's me, Sonny D. David Yerman, these expensive, these are red bottles, these are bloody shoes. Joakim Noah, Andrew Cunanan, aka the Junior NG God Jr. Come sit down, probably charger. Call me Petco because I got your bitch on freeze. The top of the gossip is Sayasa. Shout out to the 11791. Let's go Islanders. AKA Grandpa Joe. Cause when you see Charlie, you see me. Don't touch that golden ticket or he'll cut your ass.
Don't you think?
It's your man Deadeye Desus, morning sheriff. Be ashamed if I walk by really fast and picked up something at the curbside pick. I don't know. I don't know how to shop this.
The general store.
Not the same.
Curbside pickup. General store. Curbside pickup now. You can get your dry goods.
Hey, there you go. Let me get a pound of barley and some sarsaparilla to go. Thank you.
Yeah, thank you.
Yeah.
Some horse feed.
That's from Bronx, Oregon Trail. We have to stop at Ye Old Bay Plaza before starting your journey.
Facts. Go to Bagel Cafe and get a coffee.
Yo, the hunting is wild, problematic. You gotta shoot pit bulls. Like, yo. You hunting and you're like, yo, I shot a giraffe, I shot an orangutan, and I shot a tiger. And then you look on the map, you're in the Bronx Zoo. You're like, oh, fuck.
Oh, shit. Damn, I fucked up.
Damn. Yo, my fault.
Hunting is just fucking stealing pork chops from fucking ShopRite and shit. Like,
you have stolen 40 pounds of pork chops. You cannot carry any more.
would you like to leave them in the parking lot?
I'm like, hell yeah. Mr. Shopping that street, these are bad breezes like I'm easy. Please believe me, except you got to do it virtually, and that sucks. Because now you go and you can't even find out if the apartment you're moving into has bad vibes, okay? Street easy, please let us know if it has bad vibes. I'd rather move into an apartment that had a triple homicide than an apartment with bad vibes. That's just me. You know?
I mean, I can't argue with that. That sounds like
babies in apartments have bad vibes. What can we say?
You know what I'm saying?
It's true.
So you gotta throw them out.
Throw them away. The black Asiatic addict will crack your back like an automatic craftmatic. Mr. La Marina, Mesh Marina with a fresh misdemeanor and a cold demeanor. Yo, to the guy who on Twitter had the audacity to say, y'all need to let summer 2016 let go? What? My man.
What?
Summer 2016? Are you serious?
Are you dumb?
Are you mad or are you dumb?
Are you dumb or are you dumb, fam?
That would. I'll go further to say this. Summer 2016 was the Woodstock of this generation. Okay?
That part.
That part.
If you slander summer 2016, you're a coward. You're a coward. You know what I'm saying?
You're a coward, you're anti-black, and you are voting for Trump. That's
right.
There you go. That's it right there.
All the things.
The sheet mask killer, Illa. No one could be Illa. The Black Zach Morris, Young KPI is your personal Jesus, a.k.a. the Pele of Peloton, a.k.a. your problematic bae. It's not a secret family if you have been ignoring them since April. So, sorry, y'all. Can't come to Mississauga, can't leave the country. Oh, sorry.
You mad?
You mad. And I can't zoom because Zoom's not allowed in Canada. I do them right now, but Showtime doesn't allow me to use the equipment for non-Showtime stuff. So I gotta go. Anyways, Mero's turn. Bye, man.
Bye. I spilled the beer on my router.
Bye.
Bye. Yo, you know who the fuck it is, man. It's your boy, the Kid Mero, a.k.a. Human Durag, a.k.a. Donovan McJab, a.k.a. Kurt Gotti, a.k.a. Triz Khalifa. You know what I'm saying? A.k.a. Skirt load to jump the curb at your fucking dog, keep it moving. Ask me if I give a fuck. He wasn't even wearing a mask. He was being irresponsible. You know what I'm saying?
Oh my God! He's a member of Paw Patrol.
Yeah. Oh,
you killed the cops.
ACAB, FTP. Fuck you, Chase. You know what I'm saying? Fuck out of here, coward. You know what I'm saying? I'm a very dark humdinger.
That's a very dark episode of Paw Patrol. Like you don't put your kids in front of the TV. They're like, this is a very special episode of Paw Patrol. It's the same voice for Law and Order. You're like, whoa.
Instead of a black fist, it's the black paw. Like, yo, whoa, what's about to happen, right?
They're like, yo, the stories of Paw Patrol are true. There are two types of dogs in New York, right? Dogs that take shits and they don't get picked up, and dogs that take shits and just left out there.
That's right.
This is about the latter. Doink, doink. You're like,
doink, doink.
I'm like, Dick Wolf, you done ran out of things.
Fuck out of here, dog. AKA, I know fucking baby, I'm fucking man. You know what I'm saying?
Fucking
AKA,
man, yo.
No need to check the guest list because this shit is not even opening until motherfucker 2.5 Christmases from now. All right? So don't even worry about that. Just stay ass.
Don't worry about it. Okay?
You know what I'm saying? AKA CC Dab out here, you know what I'm saying? AKA get to the shmoney. It's your boy Goldman Stacks, you know what I'm saying? AKA, listen, I got my kids home testing kits because I'm testing them weekly because the Knicks will be included in this playoff, you know what I'm saying?
Come hella high water.
You know what I'm saying? Because I made it happen. I'm going to call the Jimmy Dolan, you know what I'm saying? On behalf of my children because I'm the motherfucking dad of the year, you know what I'm saying?
If the Knicks win this year, no asterisk. That's the only way there's no asterisk.
That's the only way, you know what I'm saying? Fucking Mero 3 dropping teardrops all over LeBron and
For
shit.
3! Mero 3! He gonna do that Nello 3 to the head.
His little hair coming over the headband. I'm
gonna be courtside in a fur coat with a cigar. Like, hey, I told him that. I told him that.
Listen, man.
I told him that.
He's gonna miss the last 2 shots, and we about to cash out.
you know that's right, baby.
AKA, yo, Madonna, AKA, take care of your baby Tobo. You know, come with this pussy no more. This pussy belongs to me now. Actually, it does not. It belongs to you. It is yours. I am requesting permission to access because I respect your agency, my queen. Thank you.
Look
you
at the growth. Look at.
You know what I'm saying?
God's working on all of us.
You know what I'm saying? Like, my man says we're all riding our own horses. You dig?
There you
know what I'm saying? AKA, you know what I'm saying? AKA, listen, I'm going to type my card again. There's definitely money on it. You know what I'm saying? Let me check out of here. Amazon, you know what I'm saying? I added this card months ago. Stop playing with me. You know what I'm saying? I'm taking all necessary precautions and shit. I'm being very sanitary with the delivery man. You know what I'm saying? I'm leaving tips and shit. You know what I mean? That I spread.
I got a hot take. If your card is ever declined by Amazon, it was personally declined by Jeff Bezos. He has an app on his phone, and so if you say something spicy on Twitter, he just connects.
He's like,
every now and then. Yeah, fuck you. Fuck that. Oh, you need Band-Aids? Nope. Oh, fuck that.
You want 500 Band-Aids? You got.
Or even worse,
big Band-Aids. Oh.
Or sometimes you order like one roll of paper towel from Amazon, and then you get 32. That's Jeff Bezos fucking with you. Like, that's what they do.
Yeah, put this paper somewhere, stupid.
Yeah. You got space. You got space for 50 rolls. Didn't think so because you don't got a big ass house like me. Enjoy this with your little apartment.
Fucking like, clown. And let these motherfuckers see you in the elevator with 30 rolls of toilet paper. See how they feel.
Yeah, they're like, oh, this guy got an active colon, and then you feel bad about yourself. Like, I'm like, was I drunk? Was I high? Why would I order 50 rolls of toilet paper? Now your mentals is all messed up. Jeff Bezos is gaslighting America.
Yo, he is. He's our horrible ex-boyfriend. Like, he just keeps he texts us every 6 months.
He really is our horrible ex-boyfriend because he's wild successful now. We're like, I should have stayed with him.
Wow.
Hey, you know what?
We're just talking like we're over brunch. We're like, would you have been happy with Jeff?
Yeah. I mean, like sometimes I think about it.
He's successful every now and then and stuff. Like, but
You know the worst part? Jeff Bezos, he's gaslighting us, but we get giddy when he texts us.
It's like, oh my God, he texted me right now.
Oh my God, he texted.
You know what? I'm not even going to answer right now.
No, you got to answer. Jeff mail. Girl, open it. Oh my God.
Oh my God, let me see it.
Oh my God. He said, you're my Amazon Prime.
Oh my God, and he put in a code for 2 months free.
Oh my God! Oh my God!
He's only worth like $100 trillion.
Oh my God! I think I'm gonna let him. I'm gonna let him hit the peanut butter tonight.
Oh my God! You have to. You have to.
Yeah.
I have a thing. You can use it to practice.
Oh yeah, show me, girl.
Yeah, I used it for Bill Gates. I just found that I didn't need to.
This is a horrible version of Sex in the City, but keep going. They're like, Revolt TV presents Sex, in the yurt. They're like, what? They're like,
just Sex in the City Island, period.
They're like, bitches talking about sex. You're like, this is not a family friendly show, my guy.
It's like us two, like dragging like Stephanie Santiago just sitting around the table.
Okay. I need you to lower your voice and stop giving away award-winning ideas. All right? I'll just get ready for the day where people were just like, wow, Desus and Mero really doing drag? Wow. And I'm like, you know what? Didn't have a problem dragging this bag to the bank.
Exactly, motherfucker. You know what I did? I dragged my pen across the back of that check. Stupid.
Exactly. All right? About to drag this Ferrari down the highway.
Yo, aka Tom Bracey, your girl got my balls deflated more than Bobby Crafts, you dig? You know what I'm saying? Aka the Table Shower Boys, you dig?
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying?
Give daddy a kiss.
Yeah, mwah. Aka Phil the Ass Tyson, I want to explore your cosmos mind, you know what I'm saying? Consensually, of course, because that's how we doing it, you know what I'm saying? For the 99 and 2000 and beyond, you know what I mean? Aka Lil Snoozy, first nigga to tap out on live, been social distancing before Rona. You know what I'm saying?
Corona.
Yeah. AKA Ben Boston. My hands are gifted.
Dump.
I've absolutely run out of things to say at this point. Last week I said white supremacy didn't exist. I don't even think I can top that. So I'm going to go back to the drawing board and I'm going to let Candy take over for now. Candy, sing the national anthem for these fucking cowards. Thank you. AKA... AKA Rico Sabroso. AKA Baby New 425 niggas got garbage down the way. AKA Nino Bro, shut the fuck down. You know what I'm saying? AKA live from a roadside fireworks stand somewhere in Connecticut. He's doing his East Coast tour. It's the East Tremont Stevie B doing all his greatest hits like I wanna be the one your TT is fucking and Dope Sick Love. I have COVID-19. Like damn, yo, remix.
Is that Hector on that? Wow.
Huh. Yeah, you know what I'm saying? You got Brother Kid Star on the remix. You know what I'm saying? AKA, mate, come on, mate. It's a weekly basis, mate. We have to do this. I have to explain to you there's only 2 rock stars left, mate. The Bodega Boys. Of which I am one.
The plantain supernova in the sky. One day you will find me wandering down Tremont, trying to scam like that dog Hushpuppy did his thing. You know what I'm saying? Trying to get to $500 million, you know what I'm saying?
Saying that right there.
$500 million Bodega Boys, you know what I'm saying?
There you go. We get a wild cease and desist from the Billionaires Boys Clubs. We're like, no, we're just half BC.
Yeah.
We're like, what? Yeah, it's our new label, half cocked BBC.
Yeah.
It's Hcbbc. Oh, those shirts are coming. Yeah, Victor, get on that.
Yeah.
Yeah. The half chub BBC boys.
Oh, God. Yo, AKA, my Memphis system never gonna fail, you know what I'm saying? AKA, if you see me at Target, because they open the shit again, and I'm wearing a mask, you know what I'm saying? You still know the fucking rules. Approach me like I'm Ursa Mammal, dog, you know what I'm saying? Because I'm with my cubs, and I might react erratically, you know what I'm saying? If you don't say, but 6 feet away. You know what I'm saying? I got a 6 foot
And he might
reach.
react.
You know what I'm saying?
And you won't like that.
You know what I'm saying? AKA Tom Petty and the Ball Breakers. You know what I'm saying? AKA whoa. Hey kids, it's Benjamin the Clown. Irreverent Zoom birthday party. I'll send you a link to a wrong Zoom. Whoa! Oh my God, Mr. Fun, what the fuck is in this Zoom?
Oh wow. How do you stop the video?
Please, stop sharing. Zoom, Fun, stop sharing your screen, please. Please.
Oh wait.
Stop.
Oh, you want me to share my files? Okay, here we go. Now, if you look at this one,
please,
shit. Kick me out the room. Kick me out the room, bro. Kick me out the room, bro.
Meeting ended by host. Okay, I saw fake lead to your favorite SoundCloud rapper. At this point, dog, all I am doing is taking the bowl water at the bottom of Brownie's water bowl. That's like the sticky, weird water, like when you don't like wash the dish for like 2 days. And just pouring it
it's
into
like a little cloudy on the side.
A little cloudy and like a little scummy. And when you wash it, you're like, I should treat you better. That's what I'm doing to these SoundCloud rappers.
And then they look at you. They look at the dog. Look at you like, yeah, you should. You should.
Yeah, you should.
I'll fucking die for you. You washing my bowls too much?
Yo, fam, you think that putting an ice cube in this water is gonna make it better?
Yeah.
This is mud.
You know what's wild? You gave me this water yesterday, and you know what? Like fresh water is what you drink. Like you wouldn't just drink water that's just been on the counter for several days. But, you know, it's whatever. It's whatever. Because you know what? I'm just gonna wag my tail just from seeing you because I love you so much. But continue to treat me like shit.
That's fine.
You know?
That's cool.
Fuck it.
You know what I'm saying? Yeah. Why not?
You know, I'm only here for a couple of years. Yeah. I mean, you're here for maybe 80, 90 years. I'm gonna die.
Who knows? With the fucking advancements in like human medicine. You know what I'm saying?
You know, I mean. Yeah, you're pushing me away because I got a ball in my mouth. Yeah, we could play later, but you don't realize I don't have as many laters as you do. So I hope you feel that.
Yeah, I'm guilting you. Yes.
All right. I'm gonna go in the corner and lick my. I'm going in the corner and lick my balls now.
I'm your mother-in-law reincarnated as a dog. Hello.
Whoa! CBS, you better not take that. I want to see. I want to see Mero and Judy the Pitbull.
Yeah, my mom the Pekingese.
Find out Julie has Judy's inside a big bully. Woo! Cut the check right now, Universal.
That's proper energy right there.
Okay. It's 300 mil opening weekend.
Easy. With the theaters closed. With them open as a rat.
Who? We're gonna get the lady Sue, the lady from The View. She's gonna be the voice of the dog. What's her name?
Joy Behar?
Yeah.
Shout out to Joy Behar, you know what I'm saying?
And you're gonna be there like every time the dog talks, you will look around like, anyone else hear this dog talking?
You know what's so
wild?
you
stupid ass. Only you can hear me.
That's wild because Joy Behar is more important to hip hop culture than academics.
Wow.
Hot take.
I would say that's a hot take, but no, most people know that. Most people know that. Joy Behar's an OG.
She's an OG, triple OG. You know what I'm saying?
But like seriously though, like stop mentioning academics because I don't got my taxes. So in case.
If you want to post your tax. Yeah. Wow. Yeah. So, I mean, but it's different now because we have loanouts and stuff like that. So it's just like it's a different game.
Talk that talk, daddy.
Yeah.
Talk that talk.
It's different now. Like it's not personal. The taxes come to some guy, company, whatever, not Joel Martinez.
So I don't know.
Talk that talk.
There's a guy that does it, you know. He gets a little percentage. I don't know. I guess it's called a business manager, you know, for when you have a solvent, you know, corporation.
That's right.
Yeah, nigga, eat a dick. I'm being petty. You know what I'm saying? Fuck out here. And Papi, you know what time it is? At the end of the show, I ask you every time to put on your SAP so that we can be united together, everybody. Thank you. Hacerte una pista, coño. Oye, que lo que vos va a llegar el de FIFA, coño, el más duro todo. Bajé con la cámara prendida, coño. Y la grasa, y todo, y el flow europeo, flow Versace, de todo. Papi, no existe que yo tengo lo que tú no tienes más. Oh my God, man, oh, I'm beautiful, bitch. You know what I'm saying? Oye, cuando yo aterrizo, llegué con rango, mi hermano. Bajé con rango. You know what I'm saying? Así que no te pongas a tirar puyo, loco, que te hallo. Te hallo, mi loco. Te hallo, loco, te de cocoto. Bájale dos. You know what I'm saying? Eso no es nuevo, estamos aquí, estamos activini, coño, con la escopeta fuloki. Coño. Cacoñema, cacovacinilla, coño. Tú nunca te has limpiado el culo con un papel con una página, coño, de un libro de teléfono, coño. Hijo de la gran puta. I went from the plug to the fucking old drunk nigga in front of the bodega. That's how we doing it, papi. Estamos lindo. Episode 209. You know what I'm saying? Once again, I want to say, shout out. Vamos a empezar desde el principio. Shout out, coño, a la casa, Showtime. Shout out a Cash App, el Cash, la única aplicación que tú debes usar para enviar fondos electrónicamente. Cash App, el máximo, el último capítulo. You know what I'm saying? Shout out a Showtime. Shout out a Hasan ese coño que pone la fucking nota. You know what I'm saying? Shout out Desus bueno, coño, la nota jamaiquina. Shout out Víctor Martínez, que es el papi de la lady, 24 quilates de coco en esa melena. Shout out a la nena de la bodega, dale la más dura, la planta insuperable. Shout out a Vicky, la más loca, piecitos de miel, fuego pastelín. Shout out a mi presidente Pío, secretario de defensa, activo con el cañón. Avísame que lo suelto. Llegó mi hermano Friki, 12 años por no ser boca floja. Yo no cacoro con palomo, loco. Todos mis tigres son sólidos. Que descansen para mi bendito sexo. Y todos los fucking come mierda, arresten los asesinos de Breonna Taylor. Inmediatamente me quité. Ya. Lávate la mano.
All right, episode 209. Yo, rest in peace, Summer Taylor. They were killed in Seattle after a man drove past barriers into a Black Lives Matter protest. Deepest condolences and solidarity to their family, their friends, and fellow activists. You know what? We got us. We're going to win. Revolution is not pretty to look at, but you know what? We're in this together, and guess what? We got you, and we're going to keep going, and we're going to make this world a better place. The Bodega Boys in the building. That's another one.
Another hit.
Nothing but classics over here. Yo, we out.
Holla.
Peace.